5 Best Toolboxes. Here is the product number 5. 2 units of SMD Resistor Capacitor Storage Box. Features: great surface mount components organizer, box _ all enclosure includes total 144 compartments in one box, each compartment with individual lid and label. Light, portable, less than 500 grams with all compartments filled. Easy and quick access to each value with pro-sorted RC kits. Here is the product number 4. Portable Screws Electronic Components Box. $231 Plastic Portable Screws Electronic Components Box. Sample classification: accessories, storage, toolbox, free shipping. Item specifics: type, box. Model number, 160. Material, plastic. Here is the product number 3. Transparent Toolbox Double-Side Plastic. Tool Cabinet, size: 160 x 92 x 44. Double-faced. 1, 30-40 mm - 630 x 85 2. 2, 30-85 mm - 5. The covers and body are separable. Material: PP. Impact resistance, corrosion resistance, oil resistance, resistance to ultraviolet radiation. Here is the product number 2. Toolbox Electronic Plastic Container Box. Features: made of high-quality PP material, it is durable and break-resistant. Lockable design, dust-proof, clear lid for viewing contents of the parts box. Bear the impact, bear the oil, water tightness, bear the corrosion, defend the ultraviolet ray. Easy to store craft parts, metal parts, screw, sewing accessories, jewelry accessories, electronic parts. Here is the product number 1. 50 pieces SMD SMT Component Container Storage Boxes. Features: this paragraph dimensions, 25 x 31.5 21.5 mm, single 6 grams weight, transparent color, blue, green, pink, white, gray, 6 colors, such as the need to specify color. Model number, SMD SMT Component Container Storage Boxes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.